Welcome to the channel EduFacts, and in this video we are going to discuss about a very important topic in C++ or in data structures called linear search. With the using of the help of the C++ code, we are going to solve a program after understanding the basic concept, right? So let us understand the basic concept first. Suppose there is a list, and in this list we have to search an element. There are various ways to search an element in a list. So we are focusing on the linear search, the most simple one. So in this linear search, we're going in the list one by one, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, and we're going to discuss and we are going to move in a list one by one forward without interrupting the queue. And this type of search or this type of searching in a list is known as linear search. Now we are going to see a program in the language C++ of the same. Okay, let us start. So we will be including the library first of all. Okay, so both the preprocessor directives will be included, and we will be doing a function. So in this program we are going to deal with making a function. By making a function we are going to make the program. So first of all, as the function has three prototypes: function prototype, function declaration, and function calling. So here we are declaring the function int lsearch, and with the two parameters of the array type int, because we are dealing with the list, right? So integer one array type and three parameters to be needed. So we will be soon be seeing that why we will be need the three parameters, but let us assume for it now to be two of the same type and one of the array type. Now we'll be starting the main function now. So now it's the time to start the program. Integer AR 50. So this is the array type prototype. So we are declared item and number of elements and index. So one more extra type is index here. Okay, so now cout, enter the desired array size. Desired array size. Divided by n. So we are taking the input as n by the syn command. Cout, enter the array elements. Line break /n. Enter the array elements. Semicolon. sin. So array elements, we cannot insert the array elements directly, right? So we have to run a loop for that. So for loop integer I equal to 0, I less than n, the array size, and I plus plus sin of I. Okay, now we are going to see out, not count. It is see out, not small, not capital. It's small. See out. Enter the element to be searched for. Item. So what element, like in the above example we have discussed the linear search technique, right? So what element in the list we are going to search for? It is that element here we are writing. Now we are extra variable is for the function calling index equal to store the value of the return function. L search here the array and the number of size of the array, and item is the element to be the search for, right? So both these components. Now if the according to the function declare function calling, we have various cases here. Now if index equal to is assignment operator, right? Equal to -1, then cout given element not found. Else cout element found at index position index +1. So understand the code. If index is equal to -1, then element is not found in the search given list, and if else if index is not equal to -1, if the means what, if the function does not return the value -1, then function other than the -1 value, then the element found at index, whatever the value of the index be, +1 would be the position of the exact index, because in array the number starts from 0, so we have to do the +1 for exit and positioning of the element in the list, right? return return 0. Now the main program is completed. Now our task is to do what? Our task is to write the main function, else search function, which we have called in the above program. So now the main task is to write the else search function definition. We are doing the definition part now. Here size and item. No semicolon because it is a definition part. For loop, we are doing the for loop and I equal to 0. So we have to move line by line, right? So we are running the forward loop. Simply we are doing the forward loop. If AR of I equal to item, return I. Otherwise return -1, right? So this is a simple definition of the linear search. So now let us now understand the definition. So yeah, int L search, int AR, int size, int item. So we have directly run a simple loop for int equal to 0, int I equal to 0, I is less than size, I plus plus. If AR of I means whatever will be the element running, suppose it is 0, so AR of 0 means first element equal to item. So item is the element to be searched for, right? So whatever if we found the element in the first place, then return I, right? Simply return the value I with 0, and the position would be the index according to the value is equal to position plus 1 means 0 plus 1 first element would be the answer, right? Similarly, if we got the value at 5, suppose, then in AR of 5 equal to item. So if we are searching for the element 5 also, and if we got the element 5 in the here size according to the size, then according to the loop size, because whatever would be the size of the array, then the loop will be run, otherwise it will be exit as per the instruction of the above uh, program, right? So in this simple program we have understood how to do a linear search. Thank you.